Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another very useful video. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can retrieve messages if you was to ever lose the phone. So if somebody was to find the phone and decided that they was gonna keep the phone, 9 out of 10 times they're gonna wipe the phone clean and set it all back up again. So that means you'd lose everything on the phone, including your messages. However, with these new Galaxy devices, Samsung allows us to retrieve call logs and messages remotely using the Find My Mobile application. So yeah, I'm going to show you how you can retrieve call logs and all your messages. Okay, so all you have to do is just use another mobile phone. Doesn't matter which brand. It can be a Nokia, it can be an LG phone, it can be an iPhone, it can be any other brand. It doesn't have to be a Samsung Android phone. It just has to have a web browser and internet connection, or you can simply use a desktop PC or a laptop. Okay, so in my case I'm going to use my PC. So I'm just going to open up the web browser, and all you have to do is just follow my steps. So just follow everything I'm going to do. So let's just say I've lost my phone, or my phone's been stolen. Whoever's found it, they're planning on wiping it. So I want to retrieve all my call logs and messages before they wipe it. This is what I'd do. I'd open the web browser and I would type in Find My Mobile Samsung. And then I'd click on this link, so www.samsung.com. And then I would select Go to Find My Mobile. And then from here, I would log into my Samsung account. So it has to be the same Samsung account on the lost or stolen phone. So you will have had to have been logged into the account on the lost or stolen phone. So I'm just going to go ahead and log into my Samsung account. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I'm back again, guys. So I'm just going to sign in. Okay, so from here, you will need to go over to the left here, and you will see a list of your devices that you have tied to your Samsung account. So you would select your Galaxy S23 Ultra, and then shift over here to the right, and you will see the option to retrieve messages. Okay, so just go ahead and select retrieve calls messages, and then you will need to enter your password to continue. So I'm just going to enter my password. Back in a second. Okay, so I've entered my password, and then just go ahead and hit next. And now it says you can retrieve up to 50 recent calls and messages from your phone. Additional charges may apply when you retrieve your call and message history, and the report will be sent to your phone. So just go ahead and select retrieve, and now it's retrieving my call logs and all my messages. and go ahead and select retrieve. And that's all you have to do. From here you can take a screenshot and save your call logs and all your messages that you had on the lost and stolen phone. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up and share the video. And then just press exit to come back out of here once you're finished. So sign out. Just close that down. So just hit sign out. And you're done. So yeah, once again, remember to like and share the video, guys. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Stay tuned, more helpful videos like this on the way.